sewing pattern in the description. I use soft grey tulle. Cut and glue the pattern with a sticky tape. Cut long tulle string for bottom of the skirt. The longer this part you make, the bigger the skirt you will have. Cut 10 pieces for adult sizes. Cut 6 for kid size. Baby lock the edges of long bottom parts. It's optional. You can leave this edge raw. Pin the bottom ruffle part. Sew these ruffles. Prepare like this all details. Sew part B with part A. Parts together with French seam or overlock. I decided to sew it with overlock for quicker result. Sew elastic string as waistband. Measure it to your waist. Stretch elastic while sewing. Good luck!